Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb lay off and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb lay off is to tell someone to stop doing something. The manager lets everyone know bullying is completely unacceptable in the workplace. It will not be tolerated, so lay off any cheekiness and be respectful of one another. The detective thought they found the criminal, but it's not looking good. You need to lay off questioning me. I have an alibi. The murderer is still out there. Meaning two of lay off is to end someone's employment, especially temporarily, because there is not enough work for them. The manager has really bad news for one of their employees. Unfortunately, we're going to have to lay you off. We just don't have the work at the moment. The father is upset when he gets home. His wife asks what's wrong. What's the matter? I'm sorry, but I've been laid off. I have to find another job right away to support the family. Meaning three of lay off is to stop using something. The doctor gives the patient his assessment. First of all, I think you should definitely lay off the cigarette smoking. You are en route to developing heart disease. She seems to have put some weight on lately. I better lay off the takeaways and start the gym. My weight is getting out of hand. So let's look back on what we covered. Lay off can mean to tell someone to stop doing something. Lay off your brother. He's having a tough time already. To end someone's employment, especially temporarily, because there is not enough work for them. I'm going to be laid off soon. I just know it. To stop using something. I'm laying off the alcohol for a while. Where did you hear the phrasal verb lay off? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.